Yo, internet, welcome back. Might notice things are looking a little different here. I got some new equipment thanks to my lovely girlfriend Rebecca. A little early Christmas gift, but that's not why we're here today. A company called Auxbeam wanted to do a little product install video of some LED headlights, so I got these the other day for my Super Duty, and so I'll be showing you how to put them in and what I think. I guess I currently have LED headlights in there right now, but they're flickering occasionally. I've had them in there for I think since I think those lights were in my old truck, so I'm gonna give an honest review because I wasn't paid to fluff this product up or say what it isn't. So we'll look at the screen goes away. Gotta see myself. So anyway, I'm gonna get the truck in the driveway and give it a lowdown and test out the new camera. So I did do headlights on this before, so fairly certain I gotta pop the grill out, get the headlights out, and you gotta a few bolts that you gotta sneak in there. Okay, so I got the grill. It's just enough to, you can see my old LED in here. Compression. Oh, we do have some ballast all the way out. So here is the Auxbeam. Looks like it has 4 LED units on there, and here's what I had in there. Not putting a whole lot of faith that these are going to be brighter, but could be surprising. So because it looks like they are just bi-directional, and these will throw light 360 degrees. So I'm not having a whole lot of faith that they'll be much better as far as brightness and stuff, so but gotta try. Okay, so got the headlights in. Obviously it's daylight, so yeah, they look like 6,000 Ks, so I'll get these going at nighttime and see what I think. I did turn the lights on with my old bulbs on the other side, so we'll see what it's actually like in the daytime, nighttime, of course. I'm actually gonna eat my words and say I think they'll be just as good as my old ones, and hopefully with just a little less flicker. So yeah, that was the install. It's pretty straightforward. I didn't really explain what tools you need. I used a 10 mil, and I did end up using a long screwdriver to pop the grill out. Just didn't show in the video because it ended up being way easier. And at first I didn't want to break the grill, but it was stupid easy. I should have done that in the first place on the passenger side. So now I just gotta wait for the sun to set. I can see what these things look like. Alright, internet, it is now dark, so I'm going to see what these lights do and give you my thoughts. Almost what I was expecting. There isn't a lot of light cast over there like my other lights were. They're kind of directional, so I don't know, I'll drive them in the morning and stuff, but I'm not sure if I'll keep these in here, but this is my honest review. I just don't feel like they're as bright, to be honest. Just because there's like 2/3 of the LEDs as my old ones, so this is it. So that's my review of the Auxbeam headlights, so thanks for watching.